Welcome to RRGuitarCommunity. My name is Raymond, and in this video, we're going to learn how to play some basic melodies and how to read guitar tablature. If you want to skip ahead to any other section, we've put links in the description. Let's get started. First, let's dive into reading some guitar tablature. Tablature, or tab for short, was invented for guitarists who were too lazy to read standard music notation. It quickly gained popularity and is recognized as the most used form for learning and reading music on guitar. When reading guitar tablature, the 6 lines represent the 6 strings on your guitar, with the thinnest E string at the top of the tab and the thickest E string at the bottom of the tab. You'll notice that the tab is actually upside down. This is very important to understand, and it's something that many beginners struggle with, so pay close attention. Reading tab is the same as reading chord diagrams. You can place your guitar on your lap to visualize the tab like this. Note this technique is just for learning and you shouldn't try actually playing like this. Okay, so let's add a 2 at the top of the tab on the thin E string. The 2 represents the fret number. So in order for us to play this, we have to locate the 2nd fret. 1, 2. Put your index finger or finger 1 on the 2nd fret and pick just the bottom E string. Remember once again with tabs, the top of the tab is the bottom thin E string. Okay, now let's add a 3. In order to play this one, we have to locate the 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. Put your middle finger or finger 2 on the 3rd fret on the bottom thin E string and pick just that string. Now say we add a 0 to the top of the tab. You would play this just by picking the bottom thin E string open, meaning your fretting hand or left hand does not touch the bottom thin E string. Note, it's important to keep your thumb on the neck. It's common in the beginning for new guitar players to take their left hand off of the neck when they play an open string. But your thumb must remain at all times on the neck to ensure good habits. Please note that tabs does not indicate finger numbers, only fret numbers and strings. So if you don't know about finger numbers, you can check out our numbering system infographic or check out a video, The Perfect Introduction to the Guitar. Links are in the description. Now that we know how to read some basic notes from a tab, let's get into some TNT, technique and troubleshooting. If you feel like your notes sound a bit weird, this is a great way to help you. Also, make sure that your guitar is in tune. We've linked our favorite tuning app in the description. One of the problems you'll encounter on the bottom E string is a buzzy note, which sounds like this. This is usually a result of not pressing down hard enough on the string. It's important to make sure you press down with the very tip of your finger and not the flat, soft side. Also, try to place your finger in the middle of the fret. When you press down on the fret lines, the note usually sounds dull, like this, as opposed to this. Alright, so let's practice changing between these 3 notes. And also reading along with the guitar tab. It's important to use finger 1 on the 2nd fret and finger 2 on the 3rd fret. We get a lot of our students starting out trying to play all the notes with just their index finger, but we encourage you to use all your fingers. Also remember that tabs do not indicate which fingers to use. You have to remember that for yourself. So for this exercise, we're going to play 0, 2, 3, 2, and we're going to repeat it a couple of times, playing each note for 1 beat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. For this one, we're going to play 0, 3, 2, 3 and repeat it a couple of times, playing each note once per beat. So let's give it a shot. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this little tune, let's try playing 3, 2, 0, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Also, one note per beat. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for watching our video. Remember to like and subscribe for more content.
You can also ring that little bell next to the subscribe button to get notified whenever we release a new video,
which is at least once a week.
Click over here to check out our next video.
Click over here to visit our channel for videos of song tutorials, techniques, full courses, and gear reviews.
We also goof around occasionally with some fun challenges.
Click over here to visit our website.
We have monthly competitions and giveaways.
And in the near future, we'll have user profiles with unlockable achievements,
full educational courses with skill trees,
and personal skill verification with live feedback.
Thanks for being part of our guitar community.
See you next time.